Patrick and I am the school captain. Good morning, everyone. Here is the acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
Could everyone please stand up for the national anthem? Please face the national flag and have all hats off and hands by your sides. Thank you, everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here's Mr. Sharp with the principal's message.
Thanks for that. It's time for the principal report. This week we're coming to you from inside the school staff room. This is a place that I enjoy coming to relax, have some lunch quite often and chat with a range of people, and I hope you do too. Out in the playground, reflecting and enjoying the company of others is really important. On that, it's been pleasing to see so many people have been behaving really well outside in the playgrounds. Please continue to do that. If you do find that there are sometimes an issue, and there sometimes are, what you'll need to do is to ensure that you try and address the situation and see a yard duty teacher if things don't resolve after you've tried to negotiate and work with those people who are involved. On the most part, that's a very rare occurrence. I did want to bring up about the new toilet block, which is over in the grade 3-4 area. At the moment, people are using that really well, which is fantastic. There is a little bit of a walkway at the end of the year 3 section that some people have been trying to jump over that fence and go to that toilet. That's actually very dangerous, and we don't want you to do that. We would hate for anyone to get injured. So please think about your safety and the safety of others when that's occurring. A note as well for the whole school, but especially for students in year 3 and year 5, on Wednesday this week, you are going to be participating in what's called the school readiness test for a NAPLAN trial. All it is a bit of a trial of online devices to see how well our school system actually works with the NAPLAN online testing platforms. So everyone across the whole school, it's really important that on Wednesday morning that you are very quiet to allow everybody the opportunity to do their best in giving that a go and experiencing what NAPLAN will be like for them later on down the track. It's not the be-all and end-all, as we know, for how we assess students and everything and children across this whole school, but it's an important process to understand. The other thing too is tomorrow, running club is starting, so at 8:30 in the morning, Mrs. Hunter has worked out a bit of a running club scenario where you're welcome to come, try out, do a few laps around the school and really promote that fitness and being healthy, which is such an important piece of work that we should all do. So 8:30 tomorrow morning, it will go until about 8:50 just before we start school. Please come, please enjoy, it will be a great opportunity for you. Fingers crossed the weather is fine. All right, that's it from the principal report this week. Thank you.
Each week, students can win the Cormoran Award for working really well, being kind towards others, and trying their best. They might have shown some of the school values or a positive attitude towards their learning, towards others and their learning. Please give all our Cormorant Certificate winners a round of applause.
Congratulations to all the Cormorant Award winners. My name is Ryan and I am the SRC Chair. We are now going to do the Cormorant Feather Awards. We will draw 4 feathers from the Cormorant box.
All right, it's time for the Cormorant feathers. Let's check it out. Here's the box. I'm not going to look. I've got 4 people to bring out. I've got 1 here. I'm not going to look. I'm just going to go and do the 3 others. 2. I wonder if you can see your name as it goes past. 3. And the last one will be in the middle there somewhere. It feels like 1. It is. All right, let's see what we've got. We have Marnie in 1A for helping others in the grade. Great to see Marnie. We have from 3E, Nicole, demonstrating whole body listening in class. Well done, Nicole. In 5C, we have someone who has been working hard during maths, and that is Siobhan. Well done. And in 3E, for demonstrating purposeful and focused reading, and that's Liam in 3E. So Mr. Lacey isn't here today, so I will see you guys at just before recess time to have a chat and have an Oreo and enjoy some company together. So well done, everyone. Well done for all those people who actually got a cormorant feather in there. As you know, there's only 4 that are selected, but keep striving. It may be your turn at some stage. Thank you.
Please give our Feather Award winners a round of applause.
Now we're going to hear about what's been happening in art with Mr. Gleason.
Hello, my name is Sophie.
And my name is Nima.
We're from 4C. We can't wait to show you how to do kirigami.
Japanese for paper cuts.
This has been the Term 1 art project for 3s and 4s.
And we are really keen to show you how to do it.
We considered how we wanted our audience to feel when choosing colours. Shades of green often help people feel at peace.
Then we set to work drawing and cutting out our tree shapes to build whole of forest.
We learned what a balanced picture should look like by organising our trees and colours evenly on paper.
We also learned some strategies that gave our picture depth.
To complete our kirigami forest, we chose a nice colour to frame it with that really made it pop.
You can see some of our best work on display near the school office.
We hope you like them!
Kirigami is a great mindfulness activity. We hope you're inspired to give it a go.
Wow, that looks like great fun in art. Now here's Shannon and Mackenzie with the sustainability report.
Welcome to Sustainability Report. Thanks to everybody that collected litter on Friday. We all did our part to keep our school and community clean. This week we will be counting the litter collected and we'll weigh it and give you the results next week. Here are the Nude Food results for this week.
Disgraceful! Not good enough!
So, after your sort of bit of a chat last week with everybody, I would like to announce that you are now in the top 5.
Fifth! Yeah!
You are 5th place! In 5th place, 4C. In 4th place, 3B. In 3rd place, 2A. In 2nd place, 5B. And in 1st place, 2 points ahead, only 2 points, 4E. The nude food totals for last week are as follows. In 5th place, 4C. In 4th place, 3B. In 3rd place, 2A. In 2nd place, 5B. And in 1st place, only by 2 points, 4E.
$102 and $104. Who will win next week? Or will it be your grade?
Wow, 4E and 5B, good job. Keep up the great work. Bye.
And see you next week.
Thanks Shannon and Mackenzie, and well done to all involved in the making of that video.
Hi, we're back.
With another healthy habit.
I'm Gori.
And I'm Alara. And
We're super excited because we got our new leadership badges. The healthy habit for the next 2 weeks is embracing.
Embracing is all about celebrating all the ways we are unique.
It is about being accepting of all people.
We are all individuals, different in many ways, and these differences are good and valuable.
How are you unique?
Here is Mrs. Sharp again with a special badge presentation for our 2022 school leaders.
We're about to present the student leadership badges for 2022 for the specialists and house captains. This is a really important honour for our students who are fulfilling this role. They are role models across the school. They've been elected for these positions and they'll be acting in that role throughout the whole year, showing all the values that we have at Lyndhurst, and we really look forward to seeing that in play. It's with great pleasure that I announce the Air House Captains who are now going to receive their badges. So we have Manaz and Elia. Elia isn't here today, but Manaz is. Congratulations, Manaz.
Thank you.
Well done. From Earth, we have Aubrey and Shriram. Well done, Aubrey. Congratulations. Shriram, well done. There we From fire, we have Dina and Cooper. Unfortunately, Cooper isn't here, but Dina is today. Congratulations, Dina. And last but not least, we have Waterhouse, which is Chinul and Zaria. Well done, congratulations.
Thank you.
Well done, congratulations. Wear them with pride. Thank you.
It's my pleasure to give out the badges to our science leaders, Bagashri and Devansh. And we have our sustainability leaders, Mackenzie and Shannon. And now we have our badges for our Spanish leaders, Naz and Mehar. And we have our student wellbeing leaders, Alara and Gary.
I'm here to present a few more specialist captain awards, and these go to the art leaders, and they are Guntas and Hadia. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, Hadia.
Thank you.
And next we've got our digital technologies leaders, Sabtej and Morales. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, Morales. And our two music leaders, who are Selena and Taylor. And lucky last are two physical education leaders, Isabella and Ryder. Well done, Ryder. Well done.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great week. Please stay seated and wait for instructions from your teacher. Bye for now.
So it's with great pleasure that I'm going to give the badges over to our air house captains, which is Manaz and Elia. Well done, Manaz. There you go.
Hi.
Sorry, I mucked that up, didn't I? Shook hands. So used to it. So used to it. Well done. Well played. There you go, mate.
Take two.
All right, let's try that again. At least you know what you don't do. All right. All right. So it's a great pleasure. Oh, start again.
I'm going to put this in the
Take
bloopers
three.
part for Mr. Sharp. This is going straight in the bloopers.
All right,
Take three.
Action.
It's my pleasure to give out the badges to our science leaders, Divanash and
Cut.
Devanch. That's okay. It's all going in the bloopers. Take three.
It's my pleasure to give out the badges to our science leaders, Bagashri and Devansh. Oh, wrong one.
Take four.